Hello moms and dads, we are on our next Mastery Test 12. This time they're going to be reading a sentence and they're going to be the ones tracking and tapping as they sound out each word. So you're going to have them put their finger on the ball on the top line, and then you're going to say, you're going to explain to them that they're going to sound out the first word and then say it the fast way. So you can clap or snap so that they're holding the sounds the appropriate length of time. The first word is this, so it should sound like this. You would snap and they would say this. Okay, what word? And they'll say this. And then you say, and you can have them do it again. If you think they did a really good job, then I am totally fine if you go to the first square and tell them, okay, you're going to sound out the next word. What word? Is. Make sure that they say the S sound, not the Z sound when they're sounding it out. And then say, okay, what word? Is. And then again, if you think it was a little shaky, have them do it again. Otherwise, I'm fine if you go to the next word. The next one, you'll say next word, you're going to sound it out, and they'll go like this. Not. And then you'll say what word? And they'll say not. And then you can go to the next word, and it'll sound like this. Me. What word? Me. And then I always snap twice or clap twice so that they will tap twice on the period. So if you could have them tap twice on the period. And then if you'd like for fun, they can go back to the beginning of the sentence and read the whole thing the fast way. You could snap once and they could say, this is not me. And then they'll snap. They'll tap twice on the period. All right. Good luck, guys. Can't wait to see.